Exactly 1 year ago, I started talking to a camera, and since then I made my first dollar online. I quit my job to do YouTube full time, and I became way more social with men and women. All of this obviously gave me more status, and I'll explain you what to do and how to do it yourself in this video. So what exactly did I learn from talking to a camera? I think the most important thing that people don't really understand or see is that you learn to convey your thoughts into words quicker. What does that mean? That means that you talk faster, that you can think quicker, and that you waste less of people's time. For example, my mentor works with billionaires, and he, of course, talks to billionaires frequently in a week. So, of course, he doesn't want to waste their time. He's talking to fucking billionaires. Of course, he doesn't want to waste their time. So, what is important for him? To talk quickly. So, see the sun coming up here? I need to keep this video quick because otherwise no one can see me anymore. No, so he has to talk quickly and convey his thoughts into words quicker, because otherwise he's wasting their time. And of course, you don't want to waste anyone's time, but especially not for people with high status, people that have like high leverage skills and that you want to be around. You don't want to waste their time, so you just want to talk quicker and think quicker so you can convey your thoughts into words quicker. And that's one of the things that I learned by talking to a camera, because you don't want to make your videos too long, just like this one. And you need a skill to do that. Like, you need to make your videos shorter. And what skill do you need? You need to think quicker, and you need to be able to convey your thoughts into words quicker. Apart from that, talking to a camera also just helped me present. Like, being confident in front of something that's recording you, or in front of an audience or something. Just not being on your own. Now, when I go for a walk outside with my dog, for example, I always just talk to myself. I don't put music on, I don't put a podcast on, nothing. I just talk to myself. I just discuss something that I'm going through in the day with myself. Oh, I need to edit this video. Maybe I need to do it like this, this and this. Like small examples. Talking to a camera helped me with doing that, because you become aware of the things that you say, how you say them, and also just you gain status by that, because you become more professional how you say things, and you use less like swear words, etc. You use more class words, if that makes sense, like more neat words, if that makes sense. So that's also something that I've learned. You just become good at presenting, becoming comfortable in front of an audience, in front of a camera, because some of my videos got a lot of views. So you need to be quite confident, because some of the videos you know that they're gonna get a lot of views. So yeah, you need to become confident, and you get a thick skin from other comments, because bro, believe me, I got some hate comments on my videos in those 365 days. So you also get a thick skin, and that way you become good at presenting, you become confident, and it's helped me in all ways. When I had to graduate from school, I'm now graduated in logistics, no one cares, but I am. And I had to do a lot of presentations for that, so a lot of presenting. And just in that time I was already talking to a camera, so that just helped me, because in the presentations I was way more confident than other people. I could think quicker, so I could make it shorter with more information in the presentation, so the teachers were impressed by that, and that helped me pass. Because to be honest, I didn't put that much time into it because I was already doing entrepreneurship. But talking to a camera helped me with doing that, because the presentations were much better than the other ones, like other people's presentations, and that made my grade higher. Of course, didn't have to put that much effort into the presentation itself. Just by being able to present better just helped me pass my graduate quicker. Also, small things like making money with it and being more social with men and women because of it also helps, especially like the money part is like nice. You become better at sales, so you can do more, like you can do sales calls, and your chance of converting is higher because you're more confident. And like I already said, you can speak quicker, so people don't feel like you're wasting their time. That also helps with sales. And just in general, you're more confident. That helps with the social part as well. I was quite awkward around women most of my life, but now it's way easier. Also because I'm more in those friend groups of men. In the gym, for example, I can quite easily talk to a man, and most of the time there are females around there as well. And then you can just easier talk to them because you're more confident, you're more social, and like I said, you say the right words. I was quite awkward before, like 2 years ago. Here's a picture. Yeah, thanks. I'm the editor, so I'm embarrassing myself here. But yeah, I was super awkward around women, and I always said the wrong words. So that also helped me now. Now I can choose the right words easier. I don't say that much strange words or like the wrong words anymore around women or men. And that just gives you more steps. The last thing, how can you start doing this as well, and why did I actually do it? I just gave myself the challenge to record myself every day for a certain period of time. So I first started with a month, and I think eventually I did it for like 100 days, and then I quit because I wanted to do like more quality videos. But I already gave myself that challenge because I had to become better at presenting. At that time, I really didn't know what an offer was and how to sell online, but I just knew that I had to be able to record videos and present in business eventually. So just that fact of talking to a camera and presenting yourself to the world just was like a good skill to have. So I just became consistent in that. Sometimes I still struggle. I'm not English myself, by the way. I'm Dutch. Also, my English helped with it. So that challenge was just set. I just set myself the challenge, just record every day and just talk to a camera in English. And eventually I quit, but I still did talk to a camera for 365 days. And how can you do this as well? And why should you do it? Like, first of all, if you're not English yourself, like if English is not your main language, you become better at speaking English, more fluent in speaking English. Last year it wasn't this fluent, and still I'm struggling sometimes, but I'm becoming better and better and better by talking it more every day. And set yourself the challenge to just document your life. If you have like an offer or something in entrepreneurship that you want to pursue, gee, the sun is coming close now. I have to stop recording. There's a challenge that you have set, or you want to become a professional athlete, or some skill that you're trying to learn. Document that on YouTube. Maybe even don't publish it for like the first week. If you're too awkward, like if you don't like it, you can just only record it, but you have to record it, put it on private, send it to one person on unlisted. You can just put your video on unlisted, and you can just send it to your best friend, or like your girlfriend, or your mom, or your brother, whatever. Send it to someone, one person, and he can just laugh at you, whatever. It's awkward and uncomfortable, but then the whole world doesn't have to see it. And trust me, bro, if you start a YouTube channel and if you just start yapping to a camera, no one will listen. You need leverage, you need all those kind of things. You need a good title, you need a good thumbnail. Look at my channel, everything is optimized for all those things. I work with people, by the way, to make a personal brand for them. So it's literally my job, like I said at the beginning of the video. So it's not strange that I'm so good at those things. Yeah, if you just start yapping to a camera, no one will watch it. Just believe me, you can just do it without shame. Just put it on there, no one will know. Of course, if you send it to all of your friends will know. But if you just start yapping to a camera and just upload that, no one will know, so don't worry. That will massively help you become better at presenting, talking English, becoming more confident, and just the whole fact of presenting and conveying your words into thoughts. Otherwise, the other way around, your thoughts into words quicker and talking faster. That's such a good skill to have, because like I said, my mentor works with billionaires. You don't want to waste their guys' time. And for me, I work with entrepreneurs to make a personal brand for them on YouTube. So those people are quite wealthy. You don't want to waste their fucking time. So if you're talking like this, and today I did buy some milk and I went to the grocery store. Like, I need to think too much about what I have to say. You need a clean, sharp brain. You don't want to overstimulate your dopamine and adrenaline, so you're completely fucked up in the head and eat all kinds of trash. So you have brain fog. Also keep that in mind. But that's just a good skill to have. I need to more and more need to move to the left, but I'm gonna end this video. If you are interested in having a personal brand on YouTube, follow me on Instagram. You can just see my daily activities, what I do in a day as a 21-year-old entrepreneur from the Netherlands, and just see my daily activities. Sometimes I put some cringy motivational text on there. So if you're interested in that, you can follow me on Instagram. And yeah, if you want to work with me, you can just hit me up in the DMs. Watch this one if you want to see what I've learned from 1 year in entrepreneurship, and then I will see you there. Yeah, click. Yeah, okay. Bye.